Dear student, this is Divine Love Seminar, Vedic Mathematics Sutra 1, Ekantikena Purvena Class 4. In this video, Vedic Mathematics Speed Calculation, I am going to teach you all 3 digits addition number. See the image, 325 plus 122. Focus the ones place and tens place. Ones place 5 plus 2, 7 below 10. 2 plus 2, tens place number 2 plus 2, 4. It is also below 10. So no reminder will come. Then as usual, left side to right side we should calculate. That is 100 tens ones. Okay. See the image. Hundreds. How many hundreds are there? 300, 100. 300 plus 100, 400. Okay. In tens place, 20. That is 20 plus 20, 40. Ones place, 5 plus 2, 7. I highlighted each and every answer in colors. Okay. Now we will see the calculation. See the image. 100 place. 300 plus 100 is equal to 400. 400 keep in your mind. 400 plus 20, 420. That is tens place. 420 plus 20, 440. 440 keep in your mind. Then go to ones place. 440 plus 5, 445. 445 plus 2, 447. 447 is the answer. Just take a note and write and see. And different number you itself put and write. Automatically speed calculations will increase. Mind calculations. 3-digit addition number. See 325 plus 122. According to Vedic mathematics, we should calculate from left side to right side. Hundreds place, tens place, what? Ones place. Then, okay? Focus the number. Ones place number 5 plus 2, 7. It is below 10. Then tens place 2 plus 2 is 4. So it is also below 10. No reminder. So directly we can calculate speedily. Okay. 300 plus 100 is equal to 400. 400 keep in your mind. Then go to tens place. 400 plus 20, 420. 420 plus 20 is 440. 440 keep in your mind. Then go to ones place. 440 plus 5, 445. 445 plus 2, 447. 447 is the answer. Sum 2. 421 plus 522. 100 place, what is that? See the image. 400 plus 500, it is 900. Tens place, 20 plus 20, 40. It is in tens place. Ones place, see the image. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. All the numbers are highlighted in colors. See the image. Okay. Now we will calculate the number. 400. 100 place, just see. 400 plus 500 is 900. Then go to tens place. 900 plus 20 is 920. 920 plus 20, 940. 940 keep in your mind. Then go to ones place. 940 plus 1, 941. 941 plus 2 is 943. 943 is the answer. Mind calculations. 3-digit addition number. 421, 522. You should follow the same systematic what I'll tell. First, focus the number of ones place and tens place. If it is below 10 means we should directly calculate the number from left side to right side. For your understanding, I changed little bit format. See the image. Now we will start to calculate. 400 plus 500 is 900. 900 keep in your mind, then go to tens place. 900 plus 20, 920. 920 plus 20 is 940. 940 plus, go to ones place. 940 plus 1, 941. 941 plus 2 is 943. 943 is the answer. This is the speed calculations. Sum 3 digit additions. Okay. 651 plus 234. Hundreds place. 600 plus 200 is answer is 800. Tens place 50 plus 30 is 80. It is a tens place answer. Ones place 1 plus 4, 5. Okay. Answers all highlighted in colors. Hundreds place, tens place, ones place answers. Okay. Now we will start calculating the numbers. See the image. Hundreds place first. 600 plus 200 is 800. 800 go to tens place. 800 plus 50, 850. 850 plus 30 is 880. Go to ones place. 880 plus 1, 881. 881 plus 4 is 885. 885 is the answer. Mind calculations. 651 plus 234. As usual, we should focus the ones place and tens place. If it is below 10 means directly we should calculate. See the image. Okay? Calculate. Hundreds place first. 600 plus 200 is 800. 800 then go to tens place. 800 plus 50, 850. 850 plus 30 is 880. Then 880 keep in your mind, go to ones place. 881. 881 plus 4 is 885. 885 is the answer. For your understanding, easy format I put. See the image and calculate yourself. This is my kind request. Please practice mind calculations. If you practice mind calculations, your memory power will increase. Dear students, please subscribe and share. My humble and heartfelt thanks to you all. God will shower all blessing to all. Thank you.